Let's have a look at making changes to the supply type. First, let's download some structures. And here you can see the structure information. Now we want to change these structures we've created, so we'll set the upload action to update. We'll do this for the components as well. And in this case here we want to change the supply type. Now if we're not quite sure of what that is, we can use the data entry form here. And we can select that supply type from the list of values. Obviously you can also manually just type it into the spreadsheet. Now we want this to be a default for all these records, so we put it in the default here on row 10, and we simply upload all the records, validate the data in the spreadsheet, and call the REST service. And if we look to the right, we can see that these changes have all been accepted. Now let's take that data and download the structures just to make sure our changes have taken place. If we scroll to the right, we'll see that supply type is now set to bulk for these structures.